Hi guys, today I'll be doing a very special tutorial from C.y.o. So first to start with the Crave, I think it's like the anti-aging radiance oil. Then I move on to the Lumene Rose Dawn oil. It's really illuminating. It's so pretty. You can see it right off the bat, straight out the bottle. Next, I'm going to follow it with a little bit of under eye prep because, who doesn't like that? Next is C.y.o Highlight Concealer. And this foundation powder is amazing. I believe the color is Honey from C.y.o. Mwahaha. It's so even and buttery. Oh my gosh. Now I'm going to follow it up with a little powder, just like translucent, just to set so the creases don't go crazy. Now these two colors are so very awesome. I love them. I'm going to put them in the description. I think they're Tangerine, and I can't remember the yellow one. Oh no. But it's fire. It's literally fire. Look at my eye. It is fire. Next we're going to follow it with a little bit of the Jeffree Star. It's kind of a tangerine-y color as well. Just exaggerating the creases because I didn't want to do a cut crease. I wanted to do something soft and vibrant. So I went back in to make that line a little harder with Tangerine. Now I'm following it with a little cat flake on the very ends of my eyes in black. So next I'm taking Opulence lip color and I'm highlighting the inner tear ducts just to bring a little twinkle to my eye and the tops of the lips. Mascara, boom. Now I'm blending out all that extra powder. Blech. Now I'm giving a little cut to my face, a little C.y.o contour. I think it's medium dark. Yes. Little nose. Whoop, whoop. Snatched. Still snatching. Wow, I'm really going at it. So now I'm going to highlight the bridge of my nose and give a little bit of a definition to it. I really love to highlight that part. And that highlighter, woo, it almost blinded me. Now I'm going to use the lip crayon from C.y.o. I say it wrong all the time. I'm going to learn French just so I can say it correctly. And then we're using Rise and Opulence. There you have it. Bye.